Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Process Monitor if it's not capturing events on your Windows computer. If the event list stays empty or Process Monitor isn't recording system activity, there are several simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, make sure you're running Process Monitor with administrator privileges. Right-click the Process Monitor executable and choose Run as administrator. Since the tool monitors low-level system activity, it needs elevated permissions to capture events correctly. Yeah, this is one of the most common fixes. Next, check the Capture button on the toolbar. If capturing has been paused, click the Capture icon or press the appropriate shortcut to resume recording events. Sometimes the tool is simply paused without you realizing it. If you're still not seeing any activity, open the Filter menu and review your active filters. I mean, filters that are too restrictive can hide every event, making it appear as though Process Monitor isn't working. Clear or reset the filters, then try capturing again. Another good step is to close Process Monitor, reopen it, and reproduce the action you want to monitor. If necessary, download the latest version from the official Microsoft Sysinternals website to replace any outdated or corrupted files. Finally, make sure your Windows system is fully updated and check whether your antivirus or security software is interfering with Process Monitor. In some cases, allowing the application through your security software can restore normal functionality, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Process Monitor when it's not capturing events. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix